Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Ryker Jim. I've got a few mods I want to show you guys today. I've got 4 mods, simple mods that you guys can do at home very cheaply. I will throw all the links for the items in the description below. They will be affiliate links. We're going to be doing a wire mesh grill for the front radiator, protect the radiator. It's about £11 on Amazon. We're going to be doing some new wing mirrors, which are about, I believe about £25 on Amazon. We're going to be doing a motion sensitive alarm, which I believe it was about £15 on Amazon. Don't quote me. I'll have the link in the bottom, you can check. And we're going to be doing some floorboards, which come from AliExpress. I will post a link in the description for those below. I believe they were about £60, which is much cheaper than the equivalent. So please sit down, relax, and enjoy. I'm not sure whether I'm going to get all of them done in one video. It might be a series. We might do the radiator cover in one video. I'll do the mirrors in another video, the alarm in another video. But they are quite simple, straightforward modifications that hopefully all you guys can do at home with a little bit of guidance from me. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I've got all my tools ready, all lined up, ready to go. Here's my tools. I've got my cardboard for my template. Let's get this grill removed. Now this is one thing I didn't show in the clamshell opening guide. The one thing I didn't show was removing this grill. Now the grill's quite simple. It's got 2 small screws. Oh, there's a little bumblebee just there. 2 small screws just underneath here, which are T30s. So that's both the screws undone. Both the T30 screws, there's just 2 underneath, which are very easy to spot if you look just underneath here. There's 1 and 2. Take the hood off, which is just 2 tabs underneath here. So you put your fingers underneath, pull the tabs towards you, and it just slides off. That's it. You've got the 2 little tabs just here. You can see that. You mustn't yank it because it will break otherwise. And then very carefully you have to unhook this panel from here and from here, and it should just slide off. So I'll get you set up just here so hopefully you can see. Can you see me? Hello. Just like that. Clips in there, nice and easy. So just a little bit of there we go. Just pop off as easy as that. There's my front bumper off, nice and easy. Do a little bit of a cardboard template of this, and we can get the wire mesh grill on there. Now I can see I've got a little bit of a lip here at the bottom, so possibly can sit on that. I think that is possibly enough. Oh, there we go. That looks good. Let's just draw around here, draw around this, roughly. Now this is roughly. I'm probably going to do it a little bit bigger than this itself. We can always cut it down, but we can't add more. I think that is a pretty good representation of what the grill looks like. I might add just a little bit onto the sides. I can always cut it down. It'll come out. Just a bit of artistic license here. And that looks pretty good. Get rid of all the excess. Cut all the way around the outside. Okay, so there's my template. Let's have a look and see how it fits. So That does not look bad, actually. That looks like quite a good size. Overhangs the side a little bit. So even though I've cut it, you can see I've cut it a little bit bigger than it needs to be. It's pretty good size. Covers the whole grill from the front. So let's get the aluminium mesh and let's get the template transferred. Here is my aluminium mesh, which, as you can see, is just a little bit bigger than my template. Now I've got some tin snips. You can get these from any hardware store. Make it a little bit easier for cutting. Now we can get some edging strip put on this, I think, and then we can get it attached to the front bumper. Now I think this does have, yeah, a front and a back, so you just have to make sure which is the front and the back. Flexible rubber edging. Hopefully you guys can see that. Easy to use. I think it's actually got adhesive tape in it. So you probably don't need to do this, the edging. I'm going to start at the middle at the top and I'm going to work my way around. I'm not going to take the adhesive off yet. And there we have one homemade grill protector. Okay guys, so I've got all of the tape removed off of the glue. This has, as you can see, and you guys can see, it's got a little bit of adhesive in there. So that's all stuck on around the edge now. And it's ready to be cable tied in. So I'll grab some small cable ties and we'll get this secured to the bike and we'll get the grill put back on. Okay guys, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cable ties. That is pretty secure in there now. And from the front, looks pretty good. Hopefully that should deflect some stones, and you can't really see the cable ties. At least you're not going to see them when you're driving down the road anyway. So let's get this front bumper back on the bike, and it's just a case of slotting it back on. So you've got 2 rubber bungs, one here and one here. I don't know if you can see that. And you've got the 2, you can see that slots in the rubber bung and that slots in the rubber bung. And then you've got to get this lip here at the bottom underneath the metal bracket. So I normally line it up with the bottom on first, then hold it up, watching where I'm putting the top, get those on, and then I can get those lined up with the holes in the rubber bungs. There we go. And then these just simply flex a little bit, and that's that back on. And then slide this down a little bit of flex. So we're all put back on now. All we need to do is get the screws in. I don't know if you guys can see underneath.
There is a little bit of Loctite left on these screws. For now, I'm just going to put them in with what they've got on. I was going to put some more Loctite on, but I might have this off again soon for when I do the service. I don't want to cause myself more problems by not being able to remove two simple bolts. And just get these done up, and then this mod is done.
So there we go, guys. That's the grill protector all done for less than 20 quid and probably, I don't know, 20-30 minutes worth of work. I would say it's a well worth modification. Hopefully it helps some of you guys out, save some money and make a worthwhile upgrade, protect your radiator from all those rocks and stones. Hopefully that should deflect a few rocks and stones. So hopefully you guys can agree, it looks quite good. So yeah, let's get mod number 2 done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me over the last few weeks since I started uploading. I've had very positive feedback from everyone. All the likes and subscriptions I've got already. If you haven't already hit that like button and that subscribe button, please do. It does help me grow the channel. Yeah, I'm just very grateful for all the support that you guys have shown me, and I hope you guys are enjoying my content. If there's anything you guys would like to see, please drop a comment down below and let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see. I'm hoping I'm going to do some vlogging. I've got a big ride tomorrow with the Can-Am Ryker Lovers UK Facebook group. I believe we've got about 10 riders joining us tomorrow, so it should be a good one. I'm hopefully going to take the drone along, get some aerial footage and get some shots of us on the road, so that should be good. But for now, thanks very much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.